All right, everybody. This is the trailhead. We're going to go for a walk. Haven't been here really since last fall. Make an adjustment here. There we go. The gimbal is all new to me. We bought a DJI Osmo 6. And we bought a new phone to go with it because ours was not compatible. Trail's pretty nice here. They take pretty good care of it. The trail borders on the Androscoggin River here in Jay Maine. It was a heavily polluted river for the longest time with the Industrial Revolution. But over time, we realized what we were doing to it. We were really damaging it. So anyways, regulations and industry going overseas, basically, we have a much cleaner river. At the headwaters up in New Hampshire and down through western Maine, there's some great trout fishing there. This area here, this is below where all the mills were. We have mills in Rumford, Maine and Jay Maine. And basically what's happened is those waters carry a lot of dioxins below the mill. This came from the paper company. Now let's pan over the river here for a minute. There we go. If you like this video and you like how it looks, give me a like and please subscribe. It really helps to being monetized with YouTube. Once we're monetized, they're going to be giving us a check. And we'll be able to have much more successful outings in different places. It'll help a lot. Those likes really help too. What happened here?